My name is Brian, and I am one of the co-founders of Dalinghaus Construction. Just handle a lot of different things. One of my biggest tasks, though, is to figure out the next thing that we want to work on as a company to continue our growth, to continue to improve on services that we offer, continue in our customer service department, and just the overall customer experience for our clients. Me personally, it's not me, it's more us doing the trainings and putting process procedures in place for our employees to then relay those over to our customers. So that way the customers are experiencing what our expectations are for that process. The most fulfilling part of our work that we do is getting the reviews back from customers. Knowing that we made such an impact on somebody's life that they were able to take the 5 seconds, 10 seconds to write out a review and share their experience with people. I mean, that's the biggest impactful thing that we can get. Plus being able to see from a business side with our own employees, seeing their growth, their progressions, and you've got guys that come in, digging holes, but then seeing them grow and how quickly they can grow and move up into the company, it's just super exciting and very fulfilling to see guys that were not making 2 pennies scratched together, but now all of a sudden, they're having cars, they're having kids, wives, families. It's very rewarding. What do I like to do for fun? I would say try to shut my brain off. That's what I like to do for fun. Right now with my kids being at a certain age, the best thing that I've found is outdoor activities, getting them away from the day-to-day technology, sitting in front of a computer, video game, whatever it is, and actually getting out and doing stuff. So we go out to boating and fishing, and like I said, it's just being able to get back into some like the old school fun things to do instead of just the constant screen time. If you're interested in still getting a free foundation inspection scheduled, feel free to click the link below and get yours scheduled today.